Today in our 2013 Mazda CX-9, we'll be taking a look at and showing you how to install the Rhino Rack Roof Rack system. This is going to consist of the Rhino Rack Vortex Aero Crossbars, part number RRRVA126B-2, and the Rhino Rack 2500 series legs, part number RRRLKVA, and the fit kit for the CX-9, part number DK220. Our crossbars also come in silver with part number RRVA126S-2. The Rhino Rack Roof Rack system is a great solution for carrying your vehicle accessories on your roof, whether those are bike racks, cargo baskets, ski and snowboard carriers, or kayak carriers. We're going to have an aerodynamic shape to our crossbars, which are going to help to reduce wind noise and drag. If we remove our lockable end cap on our crossbar, we can lift up our weather strip. This is easy to remove, easy to cut down and replace, so you can use this with channel-mounted accessories. It's also going to keep dirt, debris, and liquid out of your channel as you're driving down the road. We can remove the plastic cover here on our end cap and replace that with a metal lock core. That's going to help to prevent theft and tampering. Our leg kits also have lockable covers to help prevent theft and tampering. And we have easy access to removing our roof rack system. As for our fit kit, any portion that touches our vehicle is going to have a rubber coating to prevent any scratches or abrasions. It's also going to be custom cut and fit to our vehicle to give a nice secure fit. This roof rack system has a 165-pound weight capacity that you do want to double check with your vehicle's owner's manual to make sure your roof can handle that much weight. These are quick and easy to install and have a limited lifetime warranty. We're going to show you how to install these now. Now, everything that you see on our table is what's included in our kit. We're going to have the covers for our leg kit as well as the keys. We'll have the leg kit itself, which will come in a quantity of 4. We're going to have our end caps for our crossbars along with the keys for that. Our fit kit here, which includes 4 clamps and 4 pads. And then we'll have our included tool. And we've provided our own flat tape measure just to measure out crossbar spreads. And then we'll get 2 crossbars along with that. We're going to start by loosening up our bolt completely here on the front of our leg kit. With that completely loose, we'll place over our clamp and we'll tighten down our bolt. We don't want to tighten this down all the way, but just enough so that it holds our clamp into place. And we'll flip our foot pack over. We'll take the rubber piece and we'll secure it to the bottom plastic portion of our leg kit. We want to close it so that all of it is sealed together. Then we can take our leg kit, place that back on, and we'll slide this using the bottom nut onto our crossbar. Once we have that slid into place, we can take our flat tape measure and measure out the strip here. Now, we do have measurement inserts that you can put in and measure out however much you need, but we won't be using these today. They will reduce wind noise and drag whenever you put these on your vehicle, but for demonstration purposes, we're just going to use that flat tape measure. Measuring it out to 17.5 centimeters. Then we'll tighten down our bolt here in the center. Finally, we'll take our crossbar end cap, place that on, take our key and lock it into place, and we're ready to load this up onto our vehicle. We're going to gently place it across our vehicle, making sure that our clamps fit around our door frame. We'll measure out our crossbar spread from the center of our front clamp to the center of our back. We'll get this along with the other measurements in your instructions, but we want this to be at 75 centimeters. We want to make sure that whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. And now we can tighten down our clamps. We're going to use our included torque tool. I like to start by tightening them down so that my clamp sits just up against the door frame. Once we have our roof rack completely tightened down, the smaller end of our torque tool is going to straighten out when we know we have enough torque behind our bolt, just like you see here. Lastly, we'll place on our end cap, lock it into place, and we're ready to hit the road. And that's going to be our completed look at the Rhino Rack Roof Rack system on our 2013 Mazda CX-9.
Thanks for watching, and click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at Etrailer.com. And leave us a comment if you have any questions.